study the arc length and area of a sector. The next one, which is very important, let us find out the, we know this is O is the center of a circle, and this is the initial ray OA and terminal ray OB. In between, S is the arc, ASB is the arc, and angle which is theta is the angle, and just we will find out some formulas in this. So we know the area of a sector is in proportion of its angle. Area of this sector is in proportional with the central angle theta. Central angle theta. Area which is A कशाशी प्रोपोर्शनल आहे? सेंट्रल अँगल थीटाच्या. मग अकॉर्डिंगली थीटा अपॉन 2 पाय is equal to area A divided by area of circle. Area of circle. कशामुळे? area of a sector is proportion of its central angle theta. मग theta upon 2 pi is equal to A upon pi r square. So A is equal to theta upon 2 pi into pi r square. In this case, pi get cancelled. What will remain? 1/2 into r square theta. This is the formula for area of a sector. Area of sector. A is equal to 1/2 into r square theta, where r is the radius of this circle and theta is the angle formed by the two rays, that is initial ray and terminal ray. The angle between initial ray and terminal ray angle is theta, and r is the radius. Then formula for this sector is equal to 1/2 into r square theta. I think you all will know this now, and again, not only this, another equation we will find. Likewise, in this figure already S is a arc. The arc length S, this is the arc length S of a sector is in proportion of its central angle. एरिया सारखंच हा जो आर्क लेंथ आहे हा सुद्धा प्रोपोर्शनल कशाशी आहे? प्रोपोर्शनल टू सेंट्रल अँगल. हा सुद्धा सेंट्रल अँगलशीच प्रोपोर्शनल आहे, नाही का? If the central angle is theta, then theta upon 2 pi. Similarly, 2 pi is equal to S upon circumference of a circle. Circumference of circle. theta upon 2 pi is equal to S divided by circumference of circle 2 pi r. We everyone knows परिघाचं सूत्र आहे. परिघ बरोबर मराठीमध्ये 2 पाय r आपण शिकलो आहे 2 पाय r, where then S is equal to theta upon 2 pi into 2 pi r. काय होईल इकडं डिवायडेड आहे, इकडे गेल्यावर इंटू होईल. 2 pi get cancel. S is equal to r theta. This is the next formula we got. The arc length is equal to radius into theta, where theta is in radian. हे कशात पाहिजे? थीटा रेडियन मध्ये पाहिजे, बरोबर. थीटा इज इन रेडियन. This is most important thing. Theta is in radian. So two formulae we note down in this case. Area of a sector is equal to 1/2 r square theta, and next one is S is equal to r theta. These are the two formulas we should know. Accordingly, we can find out the area of circle, area of sector, and the length, arc length of the sector, that is S. So I think both the points you are now understand. And friends, now we will see some examples on this both formulas, and comprising various formulas or various things we have learned in this chapter, angle and its measurement. We will see some examples. Let us solve the exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2, 11 science mathematics notebook. Find the angle of an arc. Find the angle of an arc of a circle which subtends an angle of 108 degree. 108 degree. At the center, if the radius of the circle is the OA, say this is a B, in this case B, and radius of the circle is 15 centimeter. Well, find the length of the arc. Yes, in this case, S is equal to r theta, but theta should be in radian. So theta is given 108 into pi by 180. We will get into radian. आता याच्यात आपल्याला 3 भाग द्यायचा. 3 सक 18, 3 शून्य 0, 3 त्रिक 9, 1, 3 सक 18. आता पुन्हा आपल्याला भाग जाईल तर 6 आणि 6 10 60, 6 6 36, नाही का. अजून 2 भाग जाईल. 2 त्रिक 6, 2 पंचे 10. सो आन्सर इज थीटा इज इक्वल टू 3 पाय बाय 5 radian, and we should know the theta in radian only. So S is equal to r theta is the formula, and arc length S is equal to r is 15 centimeter, which is given, and 3 pi by 5 is the theta. 5 एक 5, 5 त्रिक 15, 9 pi, 3 त्रिक 9, 9 pi. S is equal to 9 pi centimeter is the answer of the arc length. So this is what the first example we have solved. We will solve next one. I think you got my point. Any problems are there? Please kindly comment in comment section. I am trying to solve more and more examples. the radius of a circle is 9 centimeter. Once again, radius of a circle is 9 centimeter. Circle दिलंय 9 centimeter radius आहे 0. O is the origin. Radius of the circle is 9 centimeter. Find the length of an arc of the circle which cuts of a chord of length equal to length of radius. आता ही क्वाडची लेंथ दिली आहे. याच्यामध्ये ही जी क्वाड आहे पॉइंट ए घेऊ, हा पॉइंट बी आहे ओ बी. आता त्यांनी काय सांगितलंय, द रेडियस ऑफ अ सर्कल इज 9 सेंटीमीटर. फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ एन आर्क. ही हा जो यस आहे तो फाइंड आउट करायला लावलाय. आणि त्या ठिकाणी त्यांनी काय विचारलंय, सर्कल विच कट्स ऑफ ए कॉर्ड ऑफ लेंथ इक्वल टू लेंथ ऑफ रेडियस. ही जी लेंथ आहे ए बी कॉर्ड जी कट होते ए बी इज इक्वल टू रेडियस ऑफ सर्कल विच इज गिवन 9 सेंटीमीटर. कारण याच्यामध्ये काय गिवन आहे, गिवन दिलंय आर इज इक्वल टू 9 सेंटीमीटर. अँड नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज क्वाड इज ए बी. क्वाड काय या ठिकाणी क्वाड जी क्वाड कट होते ह्याच्यामध्ये ते विचारलं काय, तर एस ही आर्क लेंथ काढाय. आर्क लेंथ, फाइंड आउट आर्क लेंथ. वी डोंट नो आर्क लेंथ, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट आर्क लेंथ. Formula is S is equal to R theta. But in this case, we don't know theta. We have to find out theta. This is the formula R theta. R in this case we know, but additional information is that we got the radius 9 centimeter because AB chord length is similar to the radius. Once again, OB is also again a radius, then this will also 9 centimeter. It is a equilateral triangle. It is a equilateral triangle. All the sides of the triangle are same. Then the angle is 60. You know, this is the theorem. So angle is 60. Hence, as triangle is equilateral triangle. बरोबर. मग theta we got is 60 degree. We will find out in radian theta into pi by 180. 60 into pi by 180. 60 into pi by 180. So what we get? Theta is equal to pi by 3 radian. Pi by 3 radian. So what is the arc length then? S is equal to R theta. R is 9 centimeter. R is 9 centimeter and theta is pi by 3 radian. Pi by 3 radian. 3 एक 3, 3 3 9. We get 3 pi centimeters. So arc length is equal to, finally answer is arc length is equal to 3 pi centimeter. This is the answer. This is the answer of the second exercise. I think friends you got the required answer. We'll solve next example. We'll try to solve more and more examples and we'll conclude this arc and this angle measurement chapter because it's most of the things we have covered in this, and any problem, anything students you are not able to solve, kindly comment me. Find the angle in degrees subtended at the center of a chord, center of a circle. Once again its circle is given. Then find the angle in degrees subtended the center of a circle by an arc whose length is 15 centimeter if the radius of the circle is 25 centimeter. हे आर्क दिलाय. वन्स अगेन हे आर्कच उदाहरण आहे आणि त्यामध्ये काय दिलंय, आर्क लेंथ दिली आहे. काय दिलंय, आर्क लेंथ दिली आहे. आर्क लेंथ इज इक्वल टू 25 सेंटीमीटर. एस इज इक्वल टू 25 सेंटीमीटर. In this case, arc length is given and and arc whose length is is a 15 centimeter. Arc length is 15 centimeter. And if the radius of the circle is 25, radius O and R is equal to 25 centimeter. This is the A, point B, and we have to find the subtended angle. So angle theta. We have to find out angle theta in this case. So what is the formula? S is equal to R theta. Okay. So in this case, S we know, R we know, we don't know theta only. In this case, theta is equal to S upon R. We have only modified this formula. Theta is equal to S upon R is equal to S is equal to already given 15 centimeter. R is equal to 25. 5 1 5 3 15 5 5 25. Theta is equal to 3 upon 5 radian. So आपल्याला काय विचारलं? थीटा इन डिग्री विचारलं. सो थीटा इज इक्वल टू 3/5. हा रेडियन मध्ये आपल्याला कशात पाहिजे? आपल्याला डिग्रीत पाहिजे. डिग्रीत पाहिजे असलं तर 1/80 डिवाइडेड बाय पाय. बरोबर. पाच 5 5 3 15 6 3 उरले 5 6 30 3 3 6 18 आजचा आला 1 3 3 9 1 10 108 डिवाइडेड बाय पाय. I think you understand this example. This is what we have solved the example, and 8 upon pi is the answer. Okay, we will solve next example step by step. We will go. A pendulum of length. Pendulum. Let us draw a pendulum. Pendulum always is a simple harmonic motion. So pendulum always motion is having like this, oscillates. Pendulum of length 14 centimeter. Oh, this is 14 centimeter. This radius is 14 centimeter. I am extending up to this. Oscillates through an angle of 18 degree. This angle is given 18 degree. 18 degree. Find the length of its path. This is equal to S. Find out करायचा आहे. This is the initial ray A. Say this is B, and we have to find out S. S in this case is again R theta. What is given? Given is what is given? Given in this case R is equal to 14 centimeter. Then theta is equal to 18 degree, but it is not in radian, it is in degrees. We have to convert it into radian. Then theta is equal to 18 into pi by 180. Okay, in this case it is pi by 10. Pi by 10 radian. We got in radian. Pi by 10 radian. Okay. So arc length S is equal to R theta is equal to R is equal to 14. into radian, pi upon 10, which is equal to 1.45 centimeter. This is the arc length. Okay, I think you got my point, and next example we will solve. These are very simple. According to the formula, we have to solve these examples. Only we should know the formula. Two arcs of the same length subtends an angle of 60 degree and 75 degree at the centers of two circles. What is the ratio of radius of two circles? आता या ठिकाणी एक सर्कल आहे, नेक्स्ट सर्कल आपण थोडस वेगळं काढू. Two circles are there. Okay. The center of the circle. What is given? We are drawing the figure. Two arcs of the same length subtends an angle of, in this case, angle subtended is 60 degree. First case, angle subtended is 60 degree, and another one, angle subtended is 75 degree. Angle subtended is 75 degree. Let us say this is 75 degree. This is A, B, this is the P, Q, OPQ, this is the S. In this case, this S. बस आता या ठिकाणी काय दिलंय? Given is the two arcs of the length, this arc ASB is equal to arc PSQ. हा ही जी लेंथ आहे ती सेम आहे. आता आपल्याला एक गोष्ट माहिती आहे, फॉर्म्युला यासाठी काय आहे? S इज इक्वल टू आर थिटा, आणि याच्या ठिकाणी S इज इक्वल टू अगेन आर थिटा. दोघांसाठी सेम आहे, तो आपण फाइंड आउट करू. S इज इक्वल टू आर थिटा. But theta should be in radian. So 60 into pi by 180. So pi by 3. So what will get? याचा S is equal to r theta. तर r तर माहित नाही आपल्याला, तो r1 म्हणूया, आणि थिटा आहे पाय बाय 3. हा आपल्याला इथे आर्क लेंथ मिळाली. या ठिकाणी याच्यासाठी S is equal to r theta. अगेन थिटा आपल्याला रेडियन मध्ये काढायचं आहे, इंटू पाय बाय 180. आता याच्यामध्ये 5 ने भाग देऊन टाकू. 15 ने भाग देता येईल आपल्याला असं वाटतंय. 15 एक 15 3 राहिले, 15 दुने 30, 15 पाची 75. बरोबर. मग थीटा काय आला? 5. थीटा इज इक्वल टू 5 पाय बाय 12. सो डायरेक्टली वी कॅन टेक R2 5 पाय बाय 12. काय आला आपल्याला? हा थीटा आला. आता हे इक्वल आहे कारण आर्क लेंथ इक्वल आहे, म्हणजेच R1 अपॉन R2 इज इक्वल टू काय राहील? हा तिकडे जाईल 5 पाय बाय let us take some more space for solving this example. What is given? Arc of ASB and दोन्ही आर्क सारखे, म्हणून आपल्याला काय इक्वेशन मिळालं, R1 पाय बाय 3 इज इक्वल टू R2 5 पाय बाय 12. आपण ही काढली आहे, हा जो अँगल आहे आपण काढला. आता आपल्याला रेशो मिळेल R1 अपॉन R2, कारण R2 इकडे घेतले आपण, इज इक्वल टू 5 पाय बाय 12 गुणिले हा पाय बाय 3 इकडे आहे, इकडे काय होईल 3 डिवायडेड बाय पाय, उलटा होईल. आणि हा पाय पाय गेट कॅन्सल, 3 एक 3, 3 चौक 12. So R1 upon R2 ratio of two radius is 5 by 4. Ratio of two radius we will get 5 by 4. So what is the ratio of radius of two circles? Ratio of two circles, ratio is 5:4. बरोबर. काय मिळालं आपल्याला रेशो 5:4. So I think you understood this example. We'll solve next one. These are the simplest example. We'll also solve some miscellaneous examples which are more complicated. The area of a circle is 25 pi square centimeter. Area of a circle. आता या ठिकाणी काय दिलंय, सर्कल काढायचं. पहिल्यांदा ड्रॉइंग काढायचं शिका मित्रांनो. टू ड्रॉ व्हॉट इज गिवन यू शुड ड्रॉ दॅट, अँड द अंडरस्टँडिंग इज देन बेटर अँड बेटर. वी शुड नॉट इमॅजिन व्हॉट इज, फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट, ड्रॉ द व्हॉट इज गिवन. द एरिया ऑफ अ सर्कल इज 25. एरिया काय गिवन दिलाय लगेच लिहा. व्हॉट इज गिवन, एरिया ऑफ अ सर्कल ए इज इक्वल टू काय दिलंय 25 pi square centimeter. Write down always unit. It is the best practice. Find the length of its arc. या आर्क ची लेंथ विचारली आहे. आर्क लेंथ, yes, in this case O, A and B is the terminal ray. So find the arc length subtending an angle of 144 degree. So I have drawn a circle which is not having 144 degrees, so it should be similar one. So this is what I have corrected it, because it should look like a 140 degree. Initially I have shown you it was an acute angle, but angle is more than 90 degrees, so it is a 144 degree at the center. Find its area of the corresponding sector. We have to find out the area of this sector. Okay. Now this is given. Angle theta is also given 144 degree. Only we have to convert this theta into radian. So 144 into pi by 180. We will get in radian. Okay. So once again I will साई दुने 12, साई दुने 12, 2 राहिले, साई चौक 24, साई त्रिक 18, साई 0 0. इथं अजून आपल्याला भाग जाईल 3चा, 3 10 30, 3 8 24, बे 5 10, बे चौक 8. So answer is 4 pi by 5. 4 pi by 5. This is the radian. 4 pi by 5 is the radian. So what is the formula for S? S is equal to R theta. But in this case we are not knowing R. So again the formula for A is equal to area of a circle is given. Area of a circle is equal to 25 pi. Area of a circle is pi R square. In this case it is given. It is given pi R square. किती दिलाय 25 pi. So A is equal to pi R square is equal to 25 pi. What is given? 25 pi. So hence in this case pi r square is equal to 25 pi. Pi get cancel, r square is equal to 25. What will get? R is equal to, taking square root of both sides, r is equal to 5 centimeter. So we got the r. We will put this into formula r theta. S is equal to 5 into, this is the theta we got in radian, 4 pi by 5. Then in this case 5 pi get cancelled. We got the answer 4 pi. S is equal to, so S is the 4 pi centimeters is the arc length. So arc length is equal to, 4 pi centimeters. Always write unit. Always write unit. This is very good practice, and we have solved this example, friends. Okay, thanks for watching this my video, and we will see another examples, complicated examples in next lecture. Thank you friends.